Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix age restrictions on YouTube. So let's begin the video. At first, go to Google account settings, then click on personal info. Under basic info, click on birthday. Enter your birth date to verify that you are over 18. And the next step is enable restricted mode. Sometimes age restricted content may be blocked due to restricted mode being enabled. To disable it, click on your profile icon, click on settings, then general. Now scroll down to the bottom of the YouTube page, click on restricted mode and toggle it off. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.